going on, guys? Back here at the car. Went up to Lowe's. Since I didn't have a tap, I found an M6x1 drill and tap set. It's like $5 at Lowe's. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this shift selector assembly. Well, I already did. And then I'm gonna take this bracket off because the reverse solenoid or whatever that is keeps hitting right here on this nut. So I'm gonna take this out so that way I can put it down on this guide pin. Have it sit flush down in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and punch where I want to make my holes, and then I'm going to drill and tap it. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already loosened these bolts up, so we'll go ahead and take this bracket out, and yeah. So we'll take this bracket out, and then we'll put the reverse selector back down in there, punch out where I want to drill my holes at, and then we'll go ahead and make a resting place for it. So, and then before I put it in there, I'll show you guys how to put in shift selector springs, because I do have the M-Tech ones on the Z3 one. So I'll go ahead and take this apart, and then I'll show you guys what I come up with. Alright guys, so got everything all bolted up, got that touched up with some paint, threw my bracket in. Update, I did have to tap that. That is an M6x1 tap that I used. This is the provided bolt that came with my shifter bracket. So this is basically just a hole that's already pre-drilled. All you got to do is just tap it. So I tapped it, threw a bolt in there. Those two hooked up just fine. I got my stays in for my shifter. And now So before, like, 5th gear was reverse and 2nd was really first and all that crap. So now, geez, I think those some WD-40 on that door. Okay, anyways, so now it's 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, reverse, just like it needs to be. So yeah, if you are going to be using a K20Z3 tranny with your K-swap, either get the Z3 transmission shifter or do what I did and just modify it and put the RSX shifter assembly in as well with the shifter cable bracket. That allows you to just pretty much bolt everything up, and then yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I got it all on there, and now I just got to hook up my reverse lights and stuff like that, and then that will be done. So shifter assembly is complete in the RSX. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Once again, appreciate y'all watching. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, if you have any questions, just let me know. Appreciate y'all watching, and we'll freaking see you later.